for the first time in front of any crowd. I'm really nervous right now. So a quick disclaimer, I've been writing since I was in third standard, in fourth standard. So this is my passion. Writing is my passion. And since that, like I told you, I'm 18 years old, so I don't have a lot of experience in life, and that may reflect in my poetry. ਐਂਡ ਇੱਥੇ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਸਰ, ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੋਇਟਰੀ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ। ਮੈਂ ਬਸ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੂੰਗੀ, ਮੈਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ, क्योंकि मेरी आई फील लाइक मेरी एक्सपर्टीज़ नहीं है उस लैंग्वेज। कॉन्वेंट के बच्चे की करिए, बट मेरी पंजाबी टीचर की कोई गलती नहीं है। इट्स नॉट हर फॉल्ट, आई वाज सच ए ट्रबलसम स्टूडेंट, शी वाज वेरी नाइस। बट मैं अज प्राइमरीली दो पोइम्स लैके आई हूँ पेश करने वास्ते। तो आई फील लाइक कि जी साडी जनरेशन है ना, वी आर सो ब्रोकन इन साइड, मतलब वी आर प्रिटेंडेड टू बी समवन, वी आर नॉट। एंड कैन आई सी अ शो ऑफ हैंड्स कि पीपल हु आर जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्टेड इन पोइट्री और मतलब सुनने में अच्छी लगती है। थैंक यू, तूने हाथ उठा लिया भाई, मेरे को लगता नहीं था तू उठाएगी। ओके, तो वी आर सो ब्रोकन इन साइड, वी आर प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी समवन, वी आर नॉट। इत्थे रूम च बैठे हुए सारे ने कदी ना कदी सोचा होगा कि आई कैन फिक्स हिम और आई कैन फिक्स हर, राइट? एम आई राइट? Every one of you, okay, not every one of you, but everyone has thought something कि I can fix him or I can fix her. So when I was going through that phase, I wrote this poetry. This is called Lunacy. So I'm puzzled at my narcissism, always disguised in something ivory. I can fix him, the only one who can turn his dungeons into something lively. I got several warnings, neon signs glaring at each step. The first spider they had ever seen climbing into its own web. In love with the scarred night, what on earth am I doing? This is either his redemption or the start of my ruin. Challenging the devil and defying my own stars. Who's a demon anyway? An angel with brutal scars. The other side of him personality scoffing. What a naive little girl. She thinks she can fix him. It's not a perfect world. Maybe unwillingly he'll still break you like a toy, engulf you in his darkness, a pessimist of a boy. Still I'm falling head first, young and new, what's there to lose? My desperation disgusts my soul, but every artist yearns for a muse. Advice tainted with hypocrisy, music blasting in my room. My ears hurt but I can't turn it off because I'm addicted to the tune. Knocking the door of my doom, casting a complicated spell. If I get attached, I probably will. I'll learn to love hell. Entirely my fault. I swear I'll not play victim at the end. So let you rip me in shreds to your heart's content. Let me hold your spiky hand. Spectrum of emotions. I'm honestly thrilled by the variety. Completely yours till you say otherwise. Head of the Lunatics Poet Society. Thank you. So to all the fixers, I really don't have any advice because I'm not qualified to do so. But so this is it. That was what I was feeling at that moment. And like after this phase of my life, I thought one thing, when we're loving someone that is particularly harmful to us or our self-esteem, like but somehow we feel like we are not enough. Like there is something in me that is not enough, so that is why she doesn't love me, or that is why he doesn't love me. But I want to say one thing, that all our insecurities, they are not anything. We are worthy of everything. And forgive me, I'm stuttering a bit. As I said, this is my first time, I'm really nervous. But this second piece of mine, I wrote when my best friend, she is a gorgeous girl. So she was telling me about his insecurities. Ki, Jyotsna yaar, pata nahi, I didn't even know these flaws existed. That girl said, yaar, my hairline is very weird. Or my hands, and this is very weird. And I'm like, what are you doing? You're stunning. So this is a piece that I wrote for her. This is called Insecurities, and I'm sure that every one of us can relate a little bit to insecurities, right? So insecurities, how heavy this word is, and every person on this planet is familiar to this word. We're all different, but still the word insecurity awakes a similar feeling of hurt. Well, let me welcome you, dear reader. Let me dust your insecurities away. Let me hold your hand and take you to a land where every inch of self-doubt will gradually fade. What are you insecure of? Your dark skin, this gorgeous complexion. What a shame, it reminds me of coffee, chocolate, and that giant teddy bear you find in the kids section. Oh, your skin's got textures. It's not even. It has variations. You say still. What a shame. It reminds me of sand dunes, uneven with gorgeous pathways you come across while climbing a hill. Oh, you're insecure of your body hair. She whispers as she sees. Do you not like soft fur on puppies? Those beautiful vines that grow on mighty trees? Oh, you're insecure of your tummy? You think you're a giant. You need to eat low. What a shame. Your body reminds me of warm blankets and the comfort of my favorite pillow. You're insecure of your eyes because they're brown. What a shame. They remind me of orange sunset, autumn, cinnamon sticks at that chocolate shop on the outskirts of our town. You're insecure of your pimples, these red spots on your face. Do you not like those twinkling diamonds decorating the outer space? Oh, you're insecure because you wear glasses. You're ashamed. What do you mean? You have beautiful eyes. I'm glad you got them framed. Oh, you don't like your hair. It's a mess, according to you. Do you not like fresh grass and leaves? It also comes in all shapes and kinds, but I love it. I do. You say you don't have the perfect body. Again, this meaningless banter. What a shame that world has programmed us to fit into a meaningless beauty standard. Let me fill your empty cup with the tea of self-love with this conversation, because after making you, even God took a few seconds to admire his creation. So, thank you. I know insecurities, they don't disappear overnight. Like, you don't hear one poem and you go, okay, no, I'm not insecure anymore. But even if I made you feel a little bit better about yourself, I will consider myself really honored. So this was my second poem. Yes, thank you so much. So you've been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much.